Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this video, we're going to talk about maximizing your ROI on your HIPAA e-commerce with these 5 methods. Let's get right into it. Number 1, automate your prescription renewals and lab notifications. Automation and convenience are the keys to increasing the predictability and speed of reordering. How many times do I get a text from Walgreens? Hey, your RX is ready. I'm like, oh, didn't know one was ready. Jump in the car, pop over there, my RX is there. I wouldn't have gone over there had I not known. Reminders make it very convenient. Make sure that the platform that you choose has HIPAA compliant reminders and automation. Number 2, adopting efficient hosting configurations that can scale. Elastic cloud services are readily available. So you want to make sure that the HIPAA platform you choose is designed to scale with your business needs and your hardware adjustments. For example, our integration platform, in the config file, there's a number of worker threads you want. And by default, it spins up with 2 threads. But if Black Friday came along and you started taking a bunch of orders, we could literally go into that config file, change it to a 64, reboot the service, restart IIS, and it spins up with 64 simultaneous threads. And the only difference is that elastic hosting environment has to have enough horsepower, processing and RAM power to handle those additional 64 worker threads. And then after Christmas, we can turn around and shut it right back down. Like that, make sure that the HIPAA platform you choose is also designed with scalability, both up and down, out of the box. Number 3, leveraging advanced reports for targeted marketing. I mean, we've heard for the last 15 years, we've been talking about business intelligence. What is business intelligence? Well, it's trying to make business decisions based on actual data. Well, now with these platforms, we can actually gather that data. But more importantly, in today's age, not only can we gather the data, we can use AI to automatically make decisions and make adjustments and do notifications based on that data. So use AI and trending data to help make faster and automated business decisions to capitalize either on the positive trends or to stop the negative trends. Number 4, centralizing integrations with a flexible API layer. What does that mean? It means a robust integration platform like Clarity Connect. Use APIs, use platforms that have connectors that they've already built, has experience both in HIPAA and in integrating the platforms already that you're using. Make sure that the platform you choose can be both, again, HIPAA compliant and, most importantly, affordable. Number 5, focusing on user-friendly design to reduce churn. You want to invest in the interfaces. You want to improve your design. I can't tell you the number of clients that tell me design isn't that important. It just has to be functional. Well, that's not necessarily true. Harvard business professor Elizabeth Moss Kantor, she's been ranked one of the top 20 business women in the world, published, I don't know, dozens and dozens of times. She did a study a while ago that said within 50 milliseconds of hitting a page, a user, a visitor, has already subconsciously given your company a professionalism score. First impressions actually do matter. While we've all heard the term UI UX, which means user interface, user experience, one recent Google study showed that if a user doesn't quickly find what they need on your site, 77% will leave and never return. You can imagine going to a house party and the place is a disaster. How likely are you to go to the next party you're invited to? Make sure your house is intuitive, clean, professional, and it services your target audience, whether that's the healthcare providers, the patients, or both. So that's it for this video. Let's review the quick 5. Number 1, automating your prescription renewals and lab notifications. Number 2, adopting efficient hosting configurations that can scale. Number 3, leveraging advanced reporting for targeted marketing. Number 4, centralizing integrations with a flexible and robust integration platform. Number 5, focusing on user-friendly design. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.